Wow. Wow. Whee. Something will definitely happen there, but we'll see what happens.
It's good to have momentum going.
All right, all forward. Woo! Oh, that's big. Woo! Wow! Oh, we're fine. Oh, now we missed all the good stuff.
We gotta go to the
Yeah, we did. That was weird.
That water is super weird.
Those are big. Woo!
Yeah, I got splashed a little bit, but not much at all.
Yeah, that was sick. Oh god. Nice. Whew. Oh, we missed that. Yeah. Whee! Whee!
Yeah.
Whoa. That is,
Like now we're like.
I know, we're just not moving, but there's some weird currents going on.
We definitely want to stay away from that wall.
Yeah.
Right. I just think you're going with your mom. You're definitely concerned.
Yeah. Was it on the Coeur d'Alene saw deer swim that one time? We saw a bunch of them, remember?
Yeah.
It's kind of scary looking.
Are they gonna wreck my kayak too?
Yeah, no. I'm like, total the Honda and the kayak. Front flip.
Back flip.
Side flip. Quadruple flip.
360.
Oh my gosh.
Nice. That was good.
That was pretty good. Woo!
Oh. Right for the fish. Oh! Nice.
Your sunglasses are here.
Rude.
Forward! Woo! Woo! Alright, we can stop.
This is like a weird smooth way.
Ooh. Whoa. Pretty cool.
Weird.
Yeah. Wow. Can stand up this way.
Okay, George Washington.
Yeah, we could flip it over and then just have a giant paddleboard.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Wow. At least we have a lot of control here. Whoa. Woo! That was cold. Woo! It doesn't look that bad, actually. Ah. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, we're good. Ah, it's wet.
I don't know, we might have to do more soup.
Okay. All right, all forward. We're good. The water's wet.
Water is wet.
Yeah. All right, all forward. Some weirdness going on there for sure. What the heck? All right. Get all forward. Whoa. All right, everybody stop. Woo! Woo! Whee! It's insane how mellow that feels. Like those are pretty big looking.
Definitely.
It definitely looks like there's a hole there too. Wow. Okay. Should we aim left of it? All right, all forward. Whoa!
That was cute.
Wow. Woo! All right, we're chilling. There's a hole. Yeah, right. Somewhere over there.
I mean, generally, I feel like there's a pretty good hole on the left, too.
Yeah. Okay. All forward.
Oh, yeah, that does.
Yeah, look at that guy. He's huge. Woo! Yeah, more. Woo!
Solid wave.
Yeah, we're good. That was fun.
Yeah.
This is some weird eddies, and I don't know what's going on. Should we go in sideways? We're gonna miss it. I guess we're not sideways. And then inside, no. Ah. Woo! Whee! Nice. Whee! Ah. Sideways is interesting. Oh. All right. All right. Everybody panic! Walmart tube style of do nothing seems to be working out pretty well. What is this?
I think it's cherry. But it might be cherry. Oh no, it's definitely cherry.
I'm sure it's a class 0, right? Nah, no chance. This looks like nothing. Oh! It covered!
Damn.
That was big. Yeah. All forward, we're losing the flow. Alright, okay. I'm mainly just aiming for the biggest waves. I know, we need to get back over there. Oh, we're missing it. There we go. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Woo! Yeah, now we're good. Let's go sideways. Sideways is fine. I'm just not very straight today. It's not very exciting. Whoa. Oh! That was up to my chest.
Whoa.
So look at that.
Yeah.
My poor gonads. Yeah, pretty fun. Woo!
Like we're on the teeter-totter right now.
I know. Yeah, we did this on a class 4 in the Locksaw with Nick and Taylor, his not girlfriend. And it was like super like.
Yeah, the water's like.
Oh, that looks kind of big. Oh! I was so close to coming out.
Yeah.
Like I wasn't holding on at all.
Oh my god.
That was pretty good.
We're missing all of it down though.
I know. So that'll. Oh, it's so weird. It kind of just went away. All right. We might need to paddle. All right. Woo! We're doing pretty well. Whee! Whee! Yeah. Oh, all right, all forward. Actually, I think we missed it. Oh.
So deep that there's no rocks.
Yeah. Oh.
What about the other side where you're trying?
Oh. Oh my gosh. Whee! That was more smooth than I anticipated. Don't even need to paddle. I don't know. I think it's pushing us away pretty well. Oh, that looks weird.
Better than not.
Yeah.